So unboxing the SunJoe SPX 3000 for the very first time. And here's all the parts. So I finally unboxed the SunJoe SPX 3000, and first impression is it's pretty compact. It's not too heavy, and it's easy to move around. So we'll put it to the test. I'll be out in the back in a few minutes and let you guys see how it goes. But this is a quick look at the SunJoe SPX 3000 pressure washer. The hose that gets attached to the detergent inlet. It's right below the handle on the pressure washer. Here are all the different nozzles that come with it. Looks like it starts at 0, 15, 25, and 45. And here's the soap nozzle. Here's the pressure hose. It looks like both ends are universal. They can both connect to the bottom of the pressure gun. The pressure hose is connected to the back of the pressure washer. And once you're ready to go, you just connect the water hose into the front of the pressure washer. The 15 nozzle spray on the gun here, and you can see there's a lot of algae. I'm just going to shoot it to kind of give you guys an idea of what the kind of pressure is coming out of this gun. Another spot I can show you what kind of power is coming out with just the 15.